Hi kitty cats. So there's a snowstorm outside. And I don't like it. So I decided I'm gonna bake some cookies today and I'm going to do some filming. And I've got this Boxycharm. Of course, I think this will probably go up on Saturday, and by that time the storm will be over. But right now, it's storming. Ugh. The tape that they put on my Boxycharm, right? Do you guys have the same issues? Like, I think I need new scissors though too. My scissors just doesn't like cutting through this stuff. Come on. It's one spot. Oh, I ripped it. Whatever. Man, that is some really strong tape they put on there. So, what do we got in our Boxycharm? Here's the little card. Cute little card. Lots of glittery gold things. I see. What's this from? Glamnetic. Oh my goodness. I've never tried these, but I guess I'm going to have to now. Bella Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. Magnetic lashes and liner. I have never tried magnetic lashes, and you know, I rarely wear lashes. I do on occasion, but I don't very often. But I don't know, maybe this could convince me to wear them. So how much are these usually? Wow, these are usually $63. This is a really good box already, because this is very expensive, and that's awesome. Like, I'm already very pleased. What else do we have here? A MAC Cosmetics Lustreless Lipstick. I don't buy MAC products. I don't remember why. There was a reason, and I don't know now what that was, but I know a lot of people love MAC. This isn't really a color that I would go for. It's very brown. I'm not really into brown lipstick, but we will see what I will do with it. The name of the color is called Hug Me, and the MAC lipstick is $19. I thought MAC was way more expensive than that. $19 doesn't seem like that much for what I would expect from MAC. I would expect a much more expensive lipstick. I thought MAC was much pricier than that, but maybe I'm wrong. And of course that is still a lot. It's not like a $10 lipstick. But I mean, I see a lot of $15 and $20 lipsticks these days, so that just doesn't seem like that much to me for some reason. I don't know. For a lipstick that I just thought that they were pricier than that. We have a Butter London Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. Ooh, nice. I could use that. Definitely. And Butter London's a nice company. And then we have Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I have a lot of moisturizers right now. Probably didn't really need another one, but Kombucha Glow Moisturizer? Kombucha? Kombucha's like a drink. fact, my niece was telling me that she made some. You have to use what's called a SCOBY, which I think is kind of like yeast or something. Kind of like it, because they use it to ferment the drink. I don't know how to make it, but I know that she uses a SCOBY, and that's supposed to ferment it. A prime moisturizer that leaves skin with a dewy, hydrating glow. Apply every morning to cleanse skin. Do not eat. I guess they knew people might think that you can eat it because there's kombucha in it. This is $49. Oh, and the Butter London Melt-Away Cuticle Exfoliator was $18. This is, I mean, that's a pretty pricey moisturizer. I always smell everything. It's got a tip like that. It looks like it's gonna be a foundation or something, but it's a priming moisturizer. Okay, we'll check that out at some point. And last, we have the Artist Couture Caliente Palette. This is kind of what I wanted, so I'm actually pretty happy that this is what I got. Ooh, so hot. Spicy palette. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to use it. I'm definitely gonna be using it soon. Spicy. And I love Artist Couture. I don't have a lot of their stuff, but I have a couple things, and I love it. And I think they have great products. And this little thing is only $30. That's not bad at all for 8 shadows. I think that, and the packaging is decent. It's plastic, but you get that nice little snap. The magnet works really well. And it's cute. I love it. I think it's cute. It was exactly what I wanted when I saw what different palettes they might have. I was like, this is the palette that I want, and I hope I get it, and I did. So, beautiful colors. Don't you just look at that yellow and that gold? I can't wait to try and do a look with this. So, you know what? I will, next week, you will get a video of me using the products from here. The lipstick, the eyeshadow, the priming moisturizer, and we will try the eyelashes, which might turn into a disaster because I'm not the greatest with eyelashes. I wear them on occasion, but I'm not the greatest with it. The only thing I probably won't be doing in there is the cuticle exfoliator because, you know, that's not part of the makeup face, but the rest of it, you know, I can put on my face and show you. And I assume since it says priming moisturizer, you can use it as a primer for your makeup. That's what I'm assuming. We'll find out. We'll find out. I always have nowhere to put things. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share it and all that stuff. It really, really helps me when you do those things. And thanks for watching. I hope you're having happy holidays and all that. Bye bye, kitty cats.